So in this video, I'm going to do a quick tour of the clinical lecture course. So when you log into the course, one of the first things you want to do is check the announcements. You should check the announcements each time you log into the class. This video is being made right before the class starts, but there are several announcements that you want to look at. There's a checklist each week for the things that you need to do. There's some other announcements for you to review. Make sure you look at the announcement that says if you don't have your book for clinical lecture, there is an option to get a trial access to your textbook if you don't have it the first day. We're also using a system called Cengage MindTap, and there's information here about technical support for Cengage, and also information about what you're going to do in Cengage each week. We'll look at that in a little bit more detail. So you can click on Meet the Instructor. You can find my information, including my contact information and my office hours, and when I have my live sessions. For live sessions, we're going to be using Kaltura Live. You're going to click right here for Kaltura Live. Make sure you're not choosing Kaiser Live, but you're choosing Kaltura Live. You're going to have access to the syllabus. When you click here, make sure you go through the syllabus in detail. You're going to go to the Getting Started page and make sure you go through all of the items on the Getting Started page in detail, including taking the pretest, doing the clinical attestation, and doing the certification. Then you're ready to get started in week 1. As you go to week 1, make sure you take the time to read through every item. There are instructions to help you navigate the entire week. Here we have our reading assignment, and these are PowerPoints to go along with the reading. It's very important that you read your textbook. There are 2 major exams in this class. There's a midterm and there's a final. And those are based on the chapters that you need to read. It's very difficult to do well on those exams if you don't read the chapters. Notice in week 1, there is a lockdown browser practice exam. It is required that you take this practice exam. It's going to require you to first download what's called a lockdown browser. The instructions are detailed, so make sure you take the time to read through these instructions. Download that lockdown browser and then come back and take this practice test. If you don't do this, you'll have a lot of difficulty getting into your midterm exam starting in week 2. So make sure you take care of this in week 1. As we go down a little bit further, it talks about Cengage MindTap. This is a website for our textbook. And there are various assignments that you do in that website. And those grades will come into the Blackboard gradebook. So we're going to take a look at the MindTap system. When you first log into the course, you're going to click here where it says click here to access MindTap and get started. When you do that, you're going to follow the prompts. You're going to need to create a Cengage username and password, and you're going to use the code that comes with your book. That will then give you access to the assignments that we're going to be doing in Cengage. So once you get into Cengage, it's going to look like this. We have a folder for each chapter that we're covering in this class. When you expand the folder, you can continue to expand these items. There are some things that you can do for practice, and then there are a few items for each chapter that you need to do for a grade. Those are going to have an orange dot that says counts towards grade. When you have one that's called a learning lab, that's going to be something that may take you 30 minutes to an hour to complete. It's a series of videos and questions that you answer and other interactive exercises. And then you also may have a quiz. Over here on the right-hand side, you can click the book icon, and this will bring up the ebook. You can increase the size of that by clicking here, and you can use the table of contents on the left to go directly to any particular chapter. You can click through the various pages in the chapter to read that book. Now, if we go back into Blackboard, the best way to know what you're supposed to do each week is there is an item called Week 1 MindTap Activities, or Week 2, Week 3, or Week 4. When you click on that, you have 4 links here. Each one of these links takes you directly to the assignment in Cengage MindTap that you're supposed to complete. So you can just click there. It'll bring you right back over into these individual assignments that you're supposed to complete in Cengage MindTap. Now, all of the homework is due by the end of the day on Sunday. And make sure you plan to get things done on time. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. Once again, on the Meet the Instructor page, you can find my contact information. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.